Okay, we've got a bit of a case study here for you. Two subjects that we keep bringing up on our social media channels. One is the WK2 diesel sump gasket. There is a gasket there between the oil pan and the engine block. Don't just use RTV and throw the gasket away. It does need the gasket. We'll address that when we go through the teardown here. The other issue here is using RTV to seal things like timing covers and valve covers up. Just a little bit, people. You don't need liters and liters of the stuff. Wait till you see this engine. This customer's been chasing oil leaks for years across all sorts of workshops, across different states of Australia, trying to get to the bottom of this leak. The amount of RTV that's on this engine is atrocious. You don't need that much RTV. Wait till you see what's there. What we've done for him, we've sold him the sump gasket repair. You don't normally pull the engine out for that, but in order to fix this heinous RTV situation on this car, we have dropped the motor out. We haven't told the customer that. We're not charging him for that. This car is not leaving my shop looking like this. So we're going to pull the timing covers off, get the valve covers off, obviously do the sump gasket that we've sold, and it's never ever going to leak oil again, and it's not leaving my shop with all that orange RTV on it. Oh my God. It is out. With it now down like this, obviously you've just seen the body come off. There's a lot more orange RTV than we first thought. It's not the valve covers that they've done. That's what was going home. The timing case resealed. But this is an excessive amount of RTV, and what I'm actually worried about is there's going to be an awful lot of this that's broken off inside the engine, gets into the sump and blocks up your oil pickups. That's exactly what you need on a vehicle that's already known to be problematic with oil pressure issues and bottom end bearing issues. Anyway, we're going to lift this up now and do the sump. This is not the normal way you would do a sump, as I said before, but because we're trying to tackle 4 problems at once, it was more practical to drop the motor out. We're going to redo this timing cover. Customer doesn't know it, but it's not leaving my shop with that orange RTV all over it.
That's actually quite clean.
This is way too much RTV. Way too much. The problem is these little chunks here, they snap off, or maybe they won't, prove me wrong. Little bits of it, see look, there's obviously a big edge there, and that all goes into your sump and blocks your oil pickup. Apart from just looking atrocious, yeah, it's in the sump. That is too much. Engine out. Looks like oil leak is predominantly timing cover, so all that orange excess is
useless.
Totally pointless. Also, there is definitely no sump gasket, which is a problem. So we're going to put a sump gasket in there. Missing a sump gasket. I just like saying the word gasket. 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 Very nice. This is how a timing case reseal should look. You should be willing to lick it.